NFTs carry medical data and streamline royalty payments, among other crucial technological functions. Apes who are bored are a degrading diversion. It's time to leave Bored Ape Yacht Club behind. It's not good for non-fungible tokens. It provides ammunition for critics and takes attention away from the technology, which is where the real value is. Hey, this is the Coin Fixer, just to remind you this is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. From the outside, NFTs appear to be nothing more than overpriced JPEGs of monkeys or whatever animated animal profile picture is currently in the spotlight. Of course, NFTs are much more complex than that. However, NFTs are developing a bad reputation as a result of Bored Apes and the countless imitations they have inspired. The terms bubble, money laundering, and scams are all used by detractors to describe the recent Beanie Babies craze. It's a demeaning diversion. Yes, Bored Apes are still being sold for more than 100,000, which is a fifth of their peak market value. However, they are linked to the turbulence of cryptocurrency volatility and the declining market sentiment that has accompanied the collapse of the cryptocurrency market. Additionally, 143 apes have already been stolen, including Seth Green's Bored Ape, which he had to pay to recover. There are also ape-backed borrowers on the verge of liquidation. Of course, there are also the fans who criticize Eminem and Snoop Dogg after they appeared at the most recent MTA Video Music Awards dressed as their apes. The NFT hype cycle's face is Bored Apes. Because of their standing, they might be the NFT equivalent of the aforementioned Beanie Babies. Painting an entire industry with the same brush, however, is a categorical error because the hype is not the technology. You can find innovative concepts with practical applications if you look beyond what is currently available. Carrying medical data is one example. NFT ownership supported by smart contracts, according to Baylor College of Medicine researchers, may give users control over who has access to their personal health records. The information that citizens already provide to medical applications is protected by smart contracts, which also gives them the option to sell their data as NFTs. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry where hospitals and other private institutions frequently sell patient data to corporations like Pfizer through so-called data brokers. Although it might seem innocent, you never consented to it. If you had known how much your data was worth, perhaps you wouldn't have. As long as the appropriate hack prevention measures are put in place, selling or protecting your data as an NFT could become a viable option. Content can be kept private and still be stored publicly by adding encryption to NFTs. NFTs can also streamline royalty payments as another service. Resale rights for artists have only been suggested, not codified in American law. This was a coding decision on Ethereum made possible by the EIP 2981 royalty standard, paving the way for Polygon and other chains. Private documents can be airdropped into users' wallets thanks to improved security and adaptability of NFTs. These could be deeds to properties or legal documents that have been served by law firms. Theoretically, a work contract could be implemented on the blockchain and integrated with decentralized finance payment protocols to deliver salaries based on tasks completed. The utility was always there. A token on the blockchain is verified that promises interoperability via a self-executing hard-coded agreement. This is true despite the never-ending cries of "when utility" that have echoed throughout NFT communities. It serves as the entrance to any content that your digital identity unlocks, including on-chain gaming, digital and physical real estate, and other experiences. It is still expanding. Compared to August 2020, there are 10 times more Ethereum wallets holding NFTs on the trading platform NFT Go. Recently, Doodles raised $54 million to bolster its intellectual property. Creators are constructing, and many accomplished underground artists are producing more than ever, not just because of the eye-catching numbers, but also because of the promise of provenance. NFT art has turned the traditional art market on its head. Even though profile pictures stole the show, technology came first and will continue to advance even in the absence of its Bored Ape counterparts. It might be preferable to use the term digital collectibles, which some people have begun using, rather than the term NFTs, which only refers to a genre with a narrow boom and bust cycle. A split of some kind is unavoidable and healthy in order to relieve builders of the weight of unrealistic expectations, market crashes, and celebrity money grabs. You might still be wearing your Bored Ape goggles if you can't see the value. Remove them. A wide range of NFT technology use cases are expanding. That's about it. I'd love to hear your thoughts on BAYC and NFTs in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Like if it brought you value, subscribe to support the channel. This has been the Coin Fixer.